Hello, my name is Blair Castle. My research question is, what skills are essential for engineering students to learn in order to successfully acquire the 21st century skills, and how can these skills be taught before students are graduated? We start with the first statement being engineering career qualifications. I made it generic on purpose in order to see what I can expand on based on the results of my search. The research at WorldCat at OSU on the library search engine, Engineering Career Qualifications. I wanted to see what results would come up first, see if that would lead me in a better direction and a better research question. Unfortunately, all that came up were articles based on the gender differences, not about the qualifications themselves. A few of these seemed like they would hold some insight as to basic qualifications in the career field. However, I wanted more information than just that. I then changed the search term to General Engineering Qualifications with the keyword career to see what would come up. I still had some weird results in various jobs like government. However, I found one called Workplace Communication. After reading the abstract, it seems that it is just an idea of what the general environment of an engineering career looks like. Communication is key in many career fields, so this seemed like it could be a good resource to look up some of those 21st century skills that graduates should have. I also came across a source known as Careers in Engineering. It describes educational requirements, responsibilities, and other things of general engineers in specific fields. The only worry I have is the publication date is 1993, and there have been some advancements and changes in that since this was published. However, this could give me an idea of where to begin. After clicking on the author, I realized that they have a series of books for different career fields describing the different skills needed in each field. This makes this result a little bit more relevant, and it gives the author a bit of credibility given that they've done this many times. So, after changing my search term and adding a new keyword, I found two relevant results that I could use in my research. My objective changed from worrying about the skills in the career field to maybe worrying about the role of education in the training as opposed to just the training alone. The last change that I've made for this video is searching the term 21st century skills, given that that's how it was presented in the prompt. I added the keyword engineering just to see what would come up. A lot of this seems a bit irrelevant and about other countries and their 21st technology advancements. However, I did find one result called the Agendas for 21st Century Engineers. After clicking on it, I realized that the book gives kind of a general sense of what is needed in each field. It would make it relevant, however, I'm not entirely sure if it's going to talk about skills more so than technology uses. My top three results, given the past three searches, are this, the Agendas for 21st Century Engineers, the Careers in Engineering book, as well as the Workplace Communication from the first search. It is evident that my thesis will have to change slightly. Instead of focusing only on what is missing in the career field, maybe I should research what is being taught and then research what is needed and find the differences myself. It doesn't seem like there are a lot of articles written about what is lacking in that department. With that in mind, I'll focus more on the education system and what they consider qualifications, and eventually work my way back to the career field and see what is different and what's the same. If I had more time, I would probably explore more WorldCat at OSU and see what they have to offer in the subject field of engineering, as well as check out different resources and different library search engines just to see what I could find. There will definitely be more to look into.